Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. If you're new here, welcome. Thought I'd show you how we're parking our Riverstone on an RV pad. So, long story short, this is just part one. I didn't do I didn't film it. I mean, we've been out here for a few weeks getting the soil prepped and everything. Basically, got everything as flat as we could, and we laid down this fabric. Then we built a retaining wall, so we had to dig out, flatten this, and then we flattened a part over here. We dug this down a little bit, and then we got these level. We leveled the first one with the concrete there, so that goes all the way across the shop, and we got it nice and level. And then don't mind the chickens. So yeah, we ran it level, put a second one on top. We knew we were going to have more gravel back here without getting a piece of equipment, so we'll just, level it out. And then when we put these together, the first thing we did was we used lag bolts, ran the two together, and then we drilled holes, as you can see, every 2 feet, and we put rebar. And then we bonded those together with lag bolts. On the end here, we put lag bolts. And basically we just did that so that way it would stay strong and hold the weight. This is all going to be gravel. Even in there we're going to put a pathway, and then we put the fabric down, of course. So really the only next step is we've got a whole semi of gravel coming. That'll be here in a couple of days, and we'll have them dump the gravel. We'll spread it out, get it as level as possible, and then we're going to be good to go. On the gravel we did 3/4 inch gravel, which some of them call it 57 grade. It's called all sorts of different things, but we just wanted to get it to where it was good. And under this, it's somewhat hard. There's already some gravel in it. It's crusher fines with a little bit of gravel, so you want to make sure you have a hard surface. After the surface is hard, then you put the fabric, and then you put the gravel. So that's step one. Step two is just put the gravel. We did also this was not flat, so we flattened it all out with a shovel. We had these tree things growing up there. We got all the trees cleaned out, and so it's coming along. Then we made a little fence for the dogs, but ideally we'll have the fifth wheel parked on here. It'll level out, and then it'll still need some pads to go under the jacks, which I've got an idea of what I'm going to use, so I'll make sure I update you that later. But the next video that I do on the RV pad, I'll make sure I update you with the gravel and the process of that. But that was $28 a ton right now for the 3/4 inch gravel. So but yeah, if you have any questions, make sure you like this video, subscribe, put the questions down below in the comments on the side, wherever they are, and I'll make sure that I answer every question I can, try to help you out. Thanks for watching.